welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to start a YouTube channel for beginner. Like, starting a YouTube channel can be very stressful. Like, you really don't know if it's something you want to do, but immediately you make a decision that you want to start a YouTube channel, then you start thinking of what to do, like different things you think I'm going to be talking to you guys on different things I think you should consider before starting a YouTube channel. It's very important just to know what you're going into, so that it's very easy for you to actually understand everything, how the YouTube works, and if you think it's something you're going to be doing. But immediately, as soon as you start thinking of making a YouTube channel, I think it's a good thing to actually try something new. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys on 5 good steps on how to start a YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's dive into the first point. The first point I'm going to be sharing with you guys is just start. Just start. Don't stop thinking about, oh, I don't know if I can do it, and don't let fear to take over the opportunity of you trying something new. So if there's something I'm going to tell you guys, is just start. There is no like rules and how, like, when it comes to YouTube, just start something. Stop thinking about it. Start taking action on starting a YouTube channel. It's not easy. I remember, like, I'm one of those people that is very shy. I'm camera shy. I'm even, like, when you see me in person, I'm also a shy person. So if I can have a YouTube channel, even though I'm very shy, I think everyone can, because like I said, I'm a very shy person. So like, stop thinking about if people are gonna watch your video or not. I think you should just start, and as the time goes by, you understand what you like and what you want your channel to be about. But the number one point is just start. There's no rule, just start. You're not going to be perfect on your first video, but just start. Conquering that fear and actually starting a YouTube channel, I think, is the number one step on the process of starting a YouTube channel. And the second one is find a niche. Finding a niche of what you want your channel to be all about. If you want it to be on fashion or lifestyle, or you want it to be on a gaming channel, a food channel, a reaction channel, wherever you think about what you want your channel to be about. And then when you think about it, think about if you're going to be seeing yourself doing it in the long run, like not just doing it right now, but if you think you want to be doing YouTube for a long time, I think finding a good niche that you're gonna concentrate on, and that you think you're gonna find yourself doing, and you're gonna be happy doing it, I think is very important. So finding a niche and just follow it, I think is very important. Just have a plan what you want your channel to be all about. Think about it and watch other YouTube channels that have the same niche that you think you're trying to go into. Watch what they are doing, learn from them, and I think it's going to help you just understand how the YouTube works. And the third one I'm going to be talking about is make a plan and stick to it. So it's like consistency. Like if you decide, okay, I'm gonna be putting a video on gaming, okay, and then you have your schedule, so make a schedule and stick to it. Like if you want to be posting once a week, make sure that once a week you always try to make sure you put the content once a week, and try to put your all in once a week. And if you decide that you're okay doing 2 times a week, to just stick to, have a schedule and stick to it. I think it's very important. Consistency is one of the important things in YouTube. When you start, it's not going to be like everyone is going to start watching your video unless you're very lucky or there's just something special about you. But from the beginning, you just have to keep putting videos. The more you put content out there, the more the algorithm get used to you, the more the algorithm love you, and then you want the algorithm to love you, to like you, so that it's gonna keep pushing your video out there. But what you have to do is be consistent. Post video as often as you can. As a beginner, you just have to keep posting videos, because you just don't know. Just keep posting videos. I recommend try different topic first, because you don't really know what people are watching. Just try to post video as much as you can. You can try to post more video on your niche, but try other niche also, other topic also, just to see how those topics do. And if they do very well, then you can decide to change your niche. But like I said, just be consistent. Be consistent. Just keep like posting videos. And the And the fourth one is going to be build your brand, build your channel hard. Like the different website or website where you can use like free tools to build your channel banner. That's the channel banner is where you have everything up. That's what people first see when they come to your channel. It tells them what to expect. It tells them how often you upload. So having a very good channel banner, and just a channel in general, organized, the color are coordinated, I think is very important, because like I said, it's just the first thing people first see when they go to your channel. And you want to tell people, like, you want people to, even before watching your video, you want them to know what they're coming for, and you want them to feel like they have reason to subscribe. It's very hard to get subscribers on YouTube, but if they see your channel banner, they see what your channel is all about, they could decide if they want to subscribe or not. And then when they watch your video, they could just be more convinced to subscribe to your channel. And the fifth one is going to be understand the YouTube algorithm. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is one of the most important thing I can say. Like when you start posting videos, you start seeing click-through rate, you start seeing your audience retention, and you start seeing different things. Like when you go to your analytics, and it's just very important because it tells you what people are liking your video. It tells you how long people are spending on your video, and that kind of give you an insight on okay, what to do better next time. And you can literally see how the chat fluctuate, like what people like, where people stop watching your video and where people really love, like where the audience retention rate is high and when it goes down. And it just gives you an insight on what YouTube is all about. So I think just understanding the algorithm, analyzing, optimizing, and repeat. For example, if you do a video that is about how I made a cupcake and people watch that video, a lot of people react, there was a lot of engagement on that video, that tells you YouTube is indirectly telling you that people are watching that video, people are clicking through your video, they are watching it. It's just telling you to make videos like that. You can make part 2 of the video on how to make a cupcake and people watch it. So just understanding the algorithm, and just continue to just keep making content, just keep making on, don't give up. It's not gonna be like, oh, you just post one videos and everyone is gonna start watching your video. It takes time, it takes process, it takes consistent, and be patient. Like if you're going into YouTube because of the money, it's just gonna be very hard for you, because as a new YouTuber, it's just very hard for people to notice you, for people to watch your content. It's just, you just have to keep creating. It takes time. It's a learning process, but like just keep producing content, be consistent. And I think with that, it's just going to be very important, because people see, if people want to subscribe to your channel but they are not sure because they don't know how often you're putting content out there, but they come the next time you say you're going to put content out there and they meet you actually post the content, they realize you're consistent, they realize that they could always get something from you. So just be consistent and just know what you want, and just do what goes with your style, do what makes you happy. Just start a YouTube channel. That's what I can tell everyone. Yeah, just start a YouTube channel. There's no rules to it, just start. And as soon as you start, then you can start learning on how to grow and everything. But the first step is just start. Put on the camera and just video yourself on what you want to do. Just post anything. That's a first step to conquer the fear of what people will say. After immediately you post the video, then you cannot think about if you want to do it or not, but just post the video first. So comment below if you have a channel, and if you have a channel, and what's your channel all about. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment below, just introduce yourself, let's be friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.